Verbal reasoning, assertion and reason. The test is meant to judge the candidate's knowledge and with it, his ability to reason out correctly. In this test, two statements referred to as assertion A and reason R respectively are provided. 5 alternative comments on these are given and correct one is to be chosen. Directions for the assertion A and the reason are: below choose the correct alternative from the following. A. Both A and R are true but R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. E. Both A and R are false. Question 1. Assertion: carbon monoxide when inhaled causes death. Reason: carbon monoxide combines with hemoglobin. Now you have to choose the correct alternative from the following. The answer is A. Carbon monoxide when inhaled combines with hemoglobin of blood to form carboxyhemoglobin, which inhibits the transport of oxygen. Question 2. Assertion: we feel colder on mountains than on plains. Reason: temperature decreases with altitude. Now you have to choose the correct alternative from the following. The answer is A. Higher above the sea level, temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meters. Question 3. Assertion: inside the earth, metals are present in molten state. Reason: earth absorbs the sun's rays. Now you have to choose the correct alternative from the following. The answer is C. Inside the earth, the high temperature and pressure keeps the metals in molten state. The earth does not absorb the sun's rays but it reflects them. Question 4. Assertion: there is no vaccine for AIDS. Reason: the AIDS virus changes its genetic code. Now you have to choose the correct alternative from the following. The answer is A. Vaccine contains the inactivated germs of the disease, but the AIDS virus changes. Question 5. Assertion: clothes are not washed properly in hard water. Reason: hard water contains many minerals. Now you have to choose the correct alternative from the following. The answer is B. Clothes are not washed properly in hard water because it does not form lather with soap. However, it is true that hard water contains many minerals. Assertion: in India, people elect their own representatives. Reason: India is a democracy. Now you have to choose the correct alternative from the following. The answer is A. India being a democracy, it is a government run by the representatives elected by its people. Question 7. Assertion: vaccines prevent diseases. Reason: vaccines must be given to children. Now you have to answer the correct alternative from the following. The answer is B. Vaccines prevent diseases by developing immunity inside the body, and vaccines must be given to children to build in them a resistance against diseases. Question 8. Assertion: downpour of rain lessens the humidity in the atmosphere. Reason: rains are caused when atmosphere cannot hold more moisture. Now you have to answer the correct alternative from the following. The answer is D. Rains are caused when the atmosphere in the upper reaches cannot hold more water, but the downpour of the rain increases the humidity in the atmosphere near the Earth's surface. Question 9. Assertion: unpolished rice should be eaten. Reason: polished rice lacks vitamin B. Now you have to answer the correct alternative from the following. The answer is A. The husk of unpolished rice contains vitamin B, deficiency of which causes the disease beriberi, so rice should be eaten unpolished. Question 10. Assertion: bats can fly in the night. Reason: bats emit ultrasonics. Now you have to answer the correct alternative from the following. The answer is A. Bats can fly in the night because they can trace the obstacles in their path by perceiving the echo of the ultrasonic sounds emitted by them after it is reflected by the obstacles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.